friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Special hello to those who are watching my video for the first time, who has visited my channel for the first time. I basically do lifestyle and cookery videos. I do very less cookery videos, but still I do a lot of lifestyle videos, and today I'm going to show you what I bought for my baby from Pat Pat. So it's basically a Pat Pat haul, all the baby clothes that I bought in one go. Guys, now I'm going to show you all these clothes, but before that let me tell you why did I buy all of them in bulk in one go. The simple reason, guys, these were on sale and that was the last day of sale. I didn't know that before, so I had to make the choice in those last few hours. So I bought them all, but now even if it doesn't fit really well on Kyla, still I'm styling it in a very stylish way, and she is liking it, we are liking it, so such a delight to watch Kyla in those ill-fitted clothes. So let me start with this one, guys. This is one piece, one bodysuit. As you can see, this is the front and the back is this. It's such a cute print. I really love the very colors, which really soothes your eyes, and it has exactly those pink, white, greens, the black and white. This thing is a little bit catchy, and first of all, this size is 9 to 12 months and it really fits Kyla really well. Now because she's very skinny, all of you know she's skinny, and the sizes of Pat Pat, the only thing that I find in this is it is always a big from shoulder. So this portion, this is big for Kyla. Maybe because she's skinny, she's not a very big baby. Basically, Pat Pat designed their clothes like this. They are a little bit loose. So what I did is, even if it was little bit big from shoulders, and the the arm, the sleeve was going up till here for Kyla, and it was looking really ill-fitted. What I did is I just rolled these sleeves up. I rolled it for like 4 times, and no, 3 times. Basically now the sleeve looks like a mega sleeve. I did it on both sides, and I made her wear it like this, and she really loved it, and I really loved it because it looks so stylish then. So it was a little bit ill-fitted, but still, with by rolling the sleeves up, it looked perfect. Second outfit is, guys, this one. This is again a bodysuit. It looks really I'm sure you can see the wrinkles because Kyla wore it twice, and I have washed it, but I'm not ironed it yet. It has a bunny print, and also on the shoulder it has frills, and I really so it has an opening on the shoulder like this, but because shoulder again is very big for Kyla, but because I cannot really do anything about it, I cannot really fold it or anything, so she is wearing it like this, but still it looks really cute because the print is really cute, and I really love white and pink combination. I don't know why. I truly love this color combination and the print. Look at those bunnies, guys. Now, guys, it's time for me to show you my favorite outfit out of all of them. So here, this is one of my favorite outfits, guys, that I bought from Pat Pat for Kyla. This one again is a onesie, and it has opening from here like all other bodysuits. On the bottom it has full sleeve. This one, with this one the neck is a little bit different, and the size is 9 to 12 months again. With this one the sleeves are a little bit long, and if I make her wear like this, it looks really loose and ill-fitted. So I fold the sleeves like this to half on both sides, and because of this neck style, it is too big for her. As I told you, she's very tiny, so I made it off shoulder for her. I'm going to share a picture of Kyla in this outfit, and And to top up and to complement this outfit, they have also given a matching headband with it, and I made her wear this headband. I can tie it like this or like that, and it looks really cute. And I did try all different styles of wearing this headband on her. I'm going to share the pictures now. Wasn't that cute, guys? I'm sure everybody liked it. So guys, these were the 9 to 12 month sizes outfits that I bought for Kyla, because she was tiny. So even if she's 13 months now, these 9 to 12 month sizes are fitting her well. So I didn't buy a lot of 9 to 12 month sizes because she is growing up. So I knew that she'll outgrow these outfits really soon. So I just bought only 3 of them in this size, and rest are all 12 to 18 month sizes. So guys, just to make your girl look really girly, I bought this outfit, which is super duper cute. This fabric here is cotton hosiery, and this is net, and underneath net is a cotton lining. So guys, these are the pair of stockings that I bought. I bought it in different colors. So this is the color that goes really well with this. This is again 12 to 18 month size bodysuit, guys. And in this bodysuit, they had like 4 to 5 more colors. But I really like this one for some reason. And it is going to be super comfortable at home. So bodysuits are worn at home most of the times. In fact, I make Kyla wear these kind of bodysuits outside as well. If we're going to somebody else's house, I don't find any harm in making her wear bodysuits because she feels super comfortable. I feel super comfortable in carrying her. So guys, the next outfit is again 12 to 18 month size, and it has got this cute headband. It's really cute because it has got a big pink flower, pinkish peach flower. Okay, so the dress is like this, a full sleeve onesie, and then there are pants to be worn underneath. So if you see the style, it's a little bit, even if the baby is healthy, it's going to be loose from here. So this is how they style, because the waist is too small, but this here size is too big. So they style their clothes like this, and I really like it because it looks really stylish. Baby doesn't want to wear headband, and if you want to make your baby a little bit cozy, you can put this cap on, which is matching to the pants. So this is the outfit, guys, right? So cute. Guys, you must be thinking why I bought cotton clothes for her for December and January when it is so cold here in Canada. The only reason is in Canada all the houses are internally heated, and they're so warm in the winters when the heaters are on that you cannot really wear anything woolen or any those sort of clothes that are worn in winter in the house. So it's always comfortable to wear cotton clothes in house in winters when it is centrally heated. So this one, guys, is again my favorite, super duper cute. See, it's a hoodie. It's a hoodie. It has pockets here, and in the hoodie, if you see, they have put this printed cloth, cotton, if you see, along with it matching pants. And again, it's tight from the waist and it's loose here, and it's super stylish. Look at the print, guys, it's so damn beautiful. And to make it even more attractive, if the baby is not not wearing the hoodie, then I can make her wear this headband, something like this. Like I said before, guys, I've bought a lot of stockings for her, or you can call it tights, woolen tights. So look at these colors. This one I've already shown you, pink one. Then there's off-white, black, dark gray, and light gray. Whoa, 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 whoa. I hope you guys know that this is not a sponsored video. I've bought all these clothes and Pat has not paid me for showing all of this stuff online. Through next cute thing that I've bought is a pair of socks. I actually ordered a couple more. I think I didn't order because I didn't get the right size. Guys, I actually ordered 3 to 4 more colors in the same style because these pair of socks are really cute. Look at the bow, the ribbon bow, and this cute pearl over here. So these are really cute, but the other colors I think were not available. So next outfit is a little bit warm because it's jacquard fabric, I think, and also it has fleece underneath, so it can be worn outside the house when it is cold. So this is the tunic. It's a lovely print. I'm sure Kala is going to love it and she's going to wear it multiple times. And to pair with it, this is a cute little without sleeves jacket and a little ribbon over here to tie it. And the fabric is really soft, and this is the frock and this is the jacket. I can make her wear the jacket separately. Let's see. This is not the end, guys. I have more to show. The one that I shown you before in 9 to 12 month size, the bunny print, remember? So I bought another one in 12 to 18 month size. It's a little bit different, but the print is same. It has built-in feet and pink frill. It has white frill with pink lining. I don't know if it is called lining or what it is. I don't know. Open from the front. It was till the time I received the package, I didn't know that I've ordered 2 pieces in same print. Otherwise I would not have ordered this one. The previous one, 9 to 12 month size, was a little bit cuter. Next item, my friends, is a jacket which will be worn outside. It's super duper cozy, guys. Look at this one. Beautiful color. I really love this color. I love pink color, and it has bunny like kind of look on her hoodie, and she's got pom-pom here with the ribbon. This is again 12 to 18 month size, guys. Next outfit to be worn at home, guys. Again cotton but full sleeves, again pink and white, and it has elephant print on it. But it looks like a midi worn over a white t-shirt, but it's attached, guys. Look here in the back. This one is again cute, opens here, and it has a shirt look. It has collar, and again a very cute sleeve at the end, if you see. I like this one, a little bit different from other body. Last one, guys. This one is an okay piece. I really love the pants. These are again cotton pants, and these are, the print is really nice. I really like it, and it again is tight on the waist, and then it's loose here, which is perfect. I feel it's a cute design. With this one, I've got a fleece jacket, white jacket, which looks just okay. So this is the only piece, guys, that I didn't like a lot. It looks just okay. It's Sherpa, but it's not a very good quality Sherpa. It's a hoodie again, and it opens in the front. I'm not sure how will I be able to pair these pants with this hoodie. I can make her wear these separately, and this is the only one that I didn't like very much, but it's also not bad. So guys, let me share with all of you pros and cons of buying from Pat. So the very first advantage is that you get baby clothes in a very less price when it is sale. I mean, it's very affordable. If the sale's going on, like I checked it right now, the sale is going on and the clothes are very cheap. You can go for it, buy it now. But the disadvantage is if there is any complaint. There is no complaint in any of these as of now, but like I said, the last one I didn't like it that much, so there is no possibility of returning it. Had it been bought from somewhere else, I would have returned it because I didn't like it that much, but with Pat Pat you cannot really return it. Otherwise the quality is good, the fabric is good. I have washed 3 of her outfits already. She has worn it and I've washed it. I've not got any complaint. No, that's it. This is the end of the video, end of the haul of Pat Pat. I'm sure you guys have liked the clothes and the video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do that right now. And one more thing I want to tell you guys, if you have subscribed to the channel already, don't press the subscribe button again because it's going to unsubscribe. So please don't do that. Subscribe to the channel once and press the bell icon for the notification for future videos. And I'll see you in my next one very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.